Hi there, my name is Jenny and I have this Cricut Joy here and I'd like to show you how easy it is to use. So let's make a card, okay? Let's go to Design Space. Here's Design Space on the canvas. So if you've never worked in Design Space, this is where you will start a blank canvas. So I'm going to go over to Projects right here on the left. And I want to make a New Year's card. So let's search for that New Year's card. And there's a lot to choose from. Let's see. How about, excuse me. How about, ooh, that's cute. Excuse me. Okay, oh, this is super cute. What should I choose? I like that one, that's cute. Let's do this one. So you find the card you want, click on it, select Make It. And it's already sized for the card mat for making cards. And it's already done for you. You don't have to do anything with it. It's ready to go. So you just get your card mat. And don't forget, take off the transparency, the cover. And this is good to go. We don't have to do anything with it. So we continue. And then your joy should pop up there. And I have a terrible internet connection. Not a connection, it's I don't know. It's always kicking me offline. So when this happens, when you have this error here, just go to devices, Bluetooth. We have to unpair it, remove, whatever, yes. And then just add it back again. I'm constantly getting kicked offline. Okay, retry. And it should be fine now. Joy. Okay, so I'm using the insert cards from Cricut. You can also make your own, which I could show you how to make because I've already made them on the maker. But this is the one you can buy. So, got your card mat. Let me switch this. Okay, so you have your card mat. I took off the transparency layer. So it looks like this. You put your card in from the left side. And you want to make it touch. There's an inside stopper piece here. It's like where this piece and this piece is fused together. There's a little stopper in there, see? You want that to touch. Okay, and then put it all the way in. Burnish it down. Okay, now it's ready. All right. So you just load it in here. Oh, you gotta do something first. Okay, I have to select the material. So I'm using insert cardstock right there. Now it will load. Can you see? Now it will load. And it will make sure the mat is straight. And then press go. Unless you think your mat wasn't straight when it checked it just then you can unload it and put it in again, but it's fine. So I'm gonna press go. And here we go. It's preparing. This little machine is so adorable. I just love it. I love this little machine. Oh, okay. Here it is. Let's watch it work. I frequently do not walk away from either the maker or the joy here, because usually when I walk away, problems happen. So I like to just make sure nothing goes awry. Also, I just wanted to let you know, if you want to extend the life of these mats, all you have to do is wipe it with flushable toilet wipes. I use Equate from Walmart. Yeah, it's just flushable toilet wipes, and you can wipe off the sticky. It'll get off all the debris and the small pieces of paper, sediment from the paper. I used to teach science. Anyway, so if you wipe it and let it dry, they're good to go. I mean, they won't make them last forever, but you get more mileage out of them that way. And you can also do that with your big mats as well, any of the mats. Sounds like we're done. Yes. So, back on the screen, you just press unload, and it's unloaded. It's all done. Let's go back. Oh, and then this this screen should pop up, allowing you to select finish, and then it'll shoot you back out to that projects area. But anyway, so it's ready to be taken off the mat. Do this very carefully, because these cuts, the slashes here and here, sometimes can be super close to the edge. That's why when you're positioning the card on the mat, it's very important to have it hit that stopper inside, and then make sure the card is all the way in and no part of the card is hanging over the left side. Okay, so just take it off carefully. And these insert cards are nice. Cricut really uses some nice quality cardstock. Huh, all of it came off except for this little one over here. All right. So cute. Cheers. This would really look good with gold glitter paper, which I have, but I didn't cut that. I was just using what I had left over from the Cricut insert card package that I bought several months ago. Okay, so all you do is you insert this little card into the slashes on every corner, and one just came out. There. Can you see it? That's why the glitter paper would have been better. You could have seen better. Plus the lighting in here. The sun's going down. There. It's so cute. Cheers. But that's how easy this is. It's so easy. I haven't designed my own cards yet, but I'm almost ready to do that. So cute. Easy peasy. Show me in the comments what cards you made. And then if you went off on your own and designed some, show me that as well. Happy crafting, you guys. I hope this helped you. Bye-bye.